Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Before we start today's presentation, I would like to thank Mr. Kiss for giving us the opportunity to present today. And allow me introduction myself is Amanda Priyatmata Putri from Group 1 Information System 5 class. And today I will presentation discuss about the effect of online learning on student productivity during the COVID-19 pandemic. Okay, next before I move on, to the next slide, I will read the outline related to discussion. Okay, first this introduction, the second problem of online learning, the third challenge of online learning, the fourth solution of online learning, and the last conclusion. Okay, next introduction. During the COVID-19 pandemic, students had to learn touch screen without meeting their teacher face to face. This helped education continue but also caused problems like limiting access to technology, low motivation, and difficulty understanding lesson. Even with the challenge, online learning was still an important solution. So, the meaning of this is during COVID-19, online learning ensured education continued despite challenge like unequal access, low motivation, and difficulty understanding lesson. It was a vital solution in touch time. What are the problems in this case? Okay, problem, the COVID-19 pandemic triggered a sudden shift to online learning involving student and teacher, with impact such as technological access challenge, discouraged motivation, and mental health issue. The COVID-19 pandemic triggered a sudden shift to online learning involving student and teacher, with impacts such as technological access challenge, discouraged motivation, and mental health issue. Challenge. Online learning during COVID-19 has many challenges that are usually faced by students, namely, first, limited access to technology. Many students face problem accessing device and adequate internet connection. The second, student engagement. Students often feel less involved in online learning compared to face-to-face learning. Lack of focus. Many students have difficulty focusing on online learning because of a home environment full of distraction, lack of social interaction, monotonous learning method, screen fatigue, and lack of self-discipline are also the main factor. This is challenge that are usually faced by students. Okay, next solution. Regular training for teachers in the use of educational technology, providing device access and internet quota for underprivileged students, developing S2S learning portal, and increasing collaboration between teacher, parent, and student. With with this step, the effectiveness of online learning can be improved to better quality education. Opinion. Online learning during the COVID-19 pandemic has had a significant impact on student productivity. Although it allows continuity of education, this method also results in reduced motivation and difficulty in adaptation due to limited social interaction and dependence of technology. And last, the conclusion. The COVID-19 pandemic forced a sudden shift from face-to-face to online learning, changing education system globally. This change revealed major challenges such as limited access to technology, low motivation, and psychological pressure due to isolation. While While allowing education to continue, these methods often reduce student productivity and highlight the urgent need for technical support, collaboration, and innovation in learning. With the right solution, online learning can be optimized for more inclusive and effective educational future. Okay, maybe this is my presentation today. Finally, I say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you, Mr. and Sister.